Welcome everybody. Hi sunshines. If you are new here, make sure you hashtag Sunny Squad and Two Sunshines. But listen, this is my grocery haul for the week. It's right before Christmas and I wanted to fix a good Christmas dinner. So listen, I got some dessert because y'all know I don't do a lot of cooking desserts, but got some smoked turkey legs so that I can fix them greens. When I say I'm ready to fix this mac and cheese, when I tell y'all it's going to be thebomb.com. Listen, but I got all the cheeses, got everything that I need. So y'all let me know, what did y'all cook for Christmas dinner or did y'all just eat out? But this is my grocery haul, you guys, before I get into cleaning and all that good stuff, because this video is probably going to have a lot of hauls in it. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comments, how was y'all Christmas? Because I'm sure this is going to be after Christmas. But anyhow, these are some things that I got. And as you can tell, I got a lot of stuff. All right, y'all. So listen, I don't know which part of the blog this is, but listen, I got a haul for y'all. I went to the thrift store. So I'm going to show you guys the thrift store. If I got to clean it. So, but basically I got my baby girl some more jeans for work, but I thought I found this and I could wear this with some leggings. Can y'all see that? Like have on a little tank top and some leggings and boots up under there. So I was happy about that. And then like I said, I got her some more jeans, which, you know, just jeans to go to work in. So got that. And she found some cute shoes. These are Anne Klein, but they look like they never been worn but maybe once. But I said, girl, these are cute. I will wear these. But yeah, I said, don't let your granny see these because she likes shoes like this. So, but these, and then it's got like a Dr. Scholl thing in there to make it softer. So I'll probably wash that, you know, with this bundle. And then we got, let's see here. We got some jewelry. So y'all know I like unique pieces. So I saw this watch. When I say y'all, this watch was so stinking cute. Look at this. I'm gonna get back here. I'm trying to make the, can y'all just see? Look at the details. Let me take this light down, son. Look at that. When I say this watch was stinking cute, y'all know I like unique pieces. So I was like, when I saw this, I was like, what? Look at this. Look at that. Can y'all say how cute that is? Such a unique piece. I thought it was cute. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna definitely wear that. And then baby girl found her a little charm necklace or whatever you want to call this. You know, she a little fashionista like her mama, so we found that. So we'll just sanitize that and all of that. And then we went to Target. See here. I don't even know where to start, Jesus. Well, let me just show y'all my Dollar Tree haul, because y'all know your girls stay in the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands too, because I've been dealing with thrift stuff. So let me just wash my hands. All right, y'all. And let me ask y'all this before I show y'all the haul. Have y'all taken y'all Christmas stuff down? Because this is what I got in my head. I'm like, because it took me a minute to get my stuff cute. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably leave my cabinets up. I'm going to leave my stuff up until, I ain't going to lie, probably February. Because I got my Gnomes Valentine's up now. I'm probably going to take the stocking down, the throw off the couch and the pillows. But I'm going to replace them with some Valentine pillows. Because I was in Five Below in the Dollar Tree and I saw some cute ones. And I was like, I'm going to get some little hearts to go on the tree. Because I ain't ready to take my decor down. I'm sorry, I ain't ready to take it down yet. But that's what I did there. So my Dollar Tree haul, I was looking for the peppermint one, but I found another one, y'all. Vanilla papaya. When I tell y'all, this smells so good. I was like, The Dollar Tree is moving on up, girl. Just moving on up. And then, of course, you know, when I clean my bathroom, I like fresh stuff. So I got a cherry berry and mango peach, because y'all know I love peach. So got that. Got some stuff to vacuum the floor. Some more panty liners. Then I got 2 fabric softeners, because I went in the store the other day and forgot. So I was like, let me just drop baby girl off to work. And I stopped by the Dollar Tree and do that. And then Target haul. Okay, so I got more paper towels. So I went ahead and got the big thing. So, because y'all know I go through paper towels like crazy. So I got that. And then I went, because I'm almost out of dish soap. So I got some dish soap. I've already opened this, but I got some dial sensitive, you know, for your girl downstairs. And let me just say this, I think I cramp less when I use the organic tampons. I cramp less, but I'm still waiting on my doctor to call me back. I got the results back from my ultrasound. I kind of know how to read and I kind of don't. So I'm gonna call my doctor just to verify, because it looks like they said everything looks normal, but still ain't helping me now with them cramps and them blood clots. But anyway, I'm waiting on my doctor, so prayerfully everything is good that way. And then of course I got some Dial soap. I got some dishwasher pods, got that. And then of course I need some more lotion for my purse. Because y'all know I can't be walking around with no ashiness. And then I finally was able to get my favorite feminine wash. They always out of stock now. I guess because when you put people on and it blow up on TikTok, it ain't going to be in stores long. So I got this Down There wash, feminine wash. Love, love, love this. One of my absolute favorites. Then Walmart. Let's see. It's like I just went like, oh y'all, and let me show y'all. Y'all know now, y'all know I always tell y'all to wait till after Christmas to start getting your decor, because it's like 60, 75% off. Probably gonna go up to 90% off. So look what I found in TJ Maxx. Can y'all say Granny and Papa, Mr. and Mrs. Claus? It was 50% off, so I got it for like $8. Regular price was $16.99. So I got it for like $7 and something. But y'all, when I tell y'all next year this gonna be the centerpiece on my table. So I gotta wrap it up good, because I do not want this to get broken. Do y'all hear me? So I think what I'm gonna have to do is wrap it up in a blanket, because y'all, when I tell y'all, that was the highlight of my little trip. And then of course I got another bottle of the y'all know I've been raving. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all know I've been raving about this. And it was only one bottle in there left. I said, look at God. He was looking out for me. This right here, praline and pistachio. If y'all don't have this, everywhere I go, I get compliments. Now, the thing I will say, it doesn't have long-lasting power. But if you love to keep spraying it, when I tell y'all this stuff smells so good. Oh, Lord. I was too happy, because my bottle is half empty. Let me show y'all. All right, see? This is my bottle. Can y'all tell? It's right there. I be using it, so I went ahead and got me another one. The only thing is, this one got the cute little top on it, and this one didn't have the cute little top on it. I knew something looked different. Maybe when this is over with, I'll switch. Maybe I can do that. Yeah. I put that top on the old bottle. But yeah. I got me a backup, y'all, because y'all know when I love something, I love something. And for Christmas, baby girl got me this. Y'all know I was talking about I wanted the pink one, because I got all of them. I got the purple one. I got the, you know, the caramel one, the old one. That's an OG. And then I got this one. It smells so good, y'all. So she got me this and a journal, because she know her mama loves to journal. So I got this for Christmas. And y'all, my baby called on Christmas. So I was like, I sent you a care package, so he should be getting it anytime now. I will see my baby in a couple of weeks. Ah! So I can go tap him out. He graduated from boot camp. So y'all, when I tell y'all, I was too happy because I thought I was gonna end up having to work all day on Christmas, but I ended up getting off at 11:30. So as y'all can see, prior to, I showed y'all my Christmas dinner. When I tell y'all, I don't even like to eat Thanksgiving food like after that day. Well, this ain't Thanksgiving food, but I had some mac and cheese, some greens with some smoked turkey legs in there. That smoked turkey leg just took them greens to a whole nother level. When I tell y'all, look at this. This is all we got left, y'all. Of the mac and cheese. I freeze half a pot of the greens because I fixed a lot of them, but this is all we got left. Me and baby girl have been murdering the mac and cheese. When I tell y'all I put my foot in it, oh honey, that was good. So yeah, and baby girl enjoying her pecan pie. But yeah, I did that. So like I said, I'm gonna have to get a blanket or something and wrap this up, because what I need to do is get me a whole bin just for decor, because y'all, I do not want to break my stuff. Do y'all hear me? So I got that, and if I can get it in here, so get that. And then Walmart, I just needed some grits and some baby wipes. Y'all know I cannot go without my baby wipes. Y'all know I need my baby wipes. And I got some pineapple juice. This is what I've been doing, you guys. I've been doing pineapple juice, lemon, and cranberry juice. It's up under there. But y'all, drink that every night before you go to bed. So I've been doing that. And y'all, listen, I found a new workout routine to get rid of this fupa. Girl, it's dancing. Y'all know I would rather dance the pounds off than to be getting on the floor doing them crunches, because I don't like getting on the floor doing crunches. So I've been doing it faithfully. I've been walking around the trail. I got my spinach so I can start my green smoothies, because y'all know I love to start the new year off with a 7-day detox with my green smoothie. So if y'all have been following me for some while now, y'all know how I do. Y'all make sure y'all join along with me. Baby girl wanted some Doritos, so I got that. Paper towel, and then in Target, this is the last bag. I gotta clean the kitchen up, because y'all, when I tell y'all my stove looks a hot mess. And I got my favorite, one of my favorite body washes is the Method, the coconut rice milk and shea butter. This one is one of my all-time favorites from Method body washes. And then I got this, because in the tub, you know, the shower part, the wall part, it be having that soap scum. So I said I was going to use this Lime Away to get rid of that. So did that. And then the last thing I did was we went to Ulta, and baby girl got me some, y'all, they got some new body scrubs or new products at Ulta. This one is the Vanilla Glow. When I tell y'all it smells good, they got a pomegranate one, but this one smells so good, y'all. Make sure y'all grab this. I'm telling y'all, this right here. And then, of course, we needed a new exfoliating African. Well, it ain't the African one, but it's close enough. So we needed that. So got that. And then baby girl got her some, I don't know, some concealer, something like that. Y'all know I don't be keeping up with stuff. She's my little makeup guru, because I don't wear makeup like that. And then she got her one as well. And she got some more highlighter. So got that. Make sure I ain't throwing nothing away, because I do not want to hear baby girl's mouth. So that's what I got, you guys. And then I'm going to put this up, and then I'm going to come back and clean this stove in this kitchen, because I got to clean, you guys. Because y'all know my thing is, if my stuff is not clean, it don't make me feel right. So I gotta do that. I'm gonna put this stuff up, and then I'm gonna come back and y'all will see me clean the. When I tell y'all this stove was dirty, oh my God, it just had me in such a funk, because when stuff ain't clean, it just irritates me. So I was determined to get this clean. Look how dirty that was. I had to do this about 3 times to get it as clean as I could. And then I'm gonna go on to cleaning baby girl's bathroom while she's at work, because I know when she get off, she's gonna be a little tired, a little moody. But anyway, I wanted to clean this. But I got this Centivia by Clorox. Y'all, it smells absolutely amazing. And of course I did the scrubbing so I can disinfect. But yeah, I be cleaning my stuff so much. My baby girl just said, Mama, look, it ain't no sense of me trying to have no chores, because you gonna always beat me to it. Well, she ain't really lying. But anyhow, I love cleaning, you guys. I clean my bathroom, you guys, like I always tell y'all, at least 2 to 3 times or whenever it's needed. But if y'all need my cleaning schedule, I'm going to have it linked down below for you guys so that you can kind of stay on point during the week, because do a little bit every other day. Don't try to do all this on Saturday at one time, because you will really overwhelm yourself, you guys. So make sure y'all check the description, because I'm going to have the link to my cleaning schedule in the description for you guys. I told you guys I was going to have a lot of hauls, but this is my second grocery haul that I did. I forgot to show you guys. I think this was, I don't know when it was, but anyway, this was my haul. Just stocking up on some things that we needed, because like I said, the refrigerator was looking a little bare. But these are some things that I got from the second haul. This was the first haul the one I showed you before was the first haul. But yeah, so I just went ahead and wanted to show you guys this. Some stuff that we got. Of course, baby girl got her candle. She needed another bra. We both needed panties, so we went ahead and got that. And of course, some smell goods. Y'all know I cannot go in the store without smell goods. And here's the big reveal. Everything is clean and in its place. I love you guys, and I will definitely see you all on my next video. But when your house is clean, your brain is clean. It's free from clutter. Make sure y'all let me know in the comments. Are y'all keeping y'all Christmas decor up, or y'all taking it down? I love you guys, and let me know in the comments. Y'all know I love talking to my sunshines, but I will see you guys on the next video. And it feels really good to have a refrigerator that's full. I'm very grateful, very thankful. So enjoy your guys' day, and I hope to see you guys in the new year. And if I don't see you guys before the new year, Happy New Year's. I pray many blessings over each of you.